children, see the picture. See the picture carefully. Okay. How many birds in the picture? How many birds? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 birds in the picture. How many birds? 4 birds in the picture. How many birds? 4 birds. How many wheels? How many wheels? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many wheels? How many wheels? 4 wheels. How many trees? How many trees in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 trees. How many trees? 4. How many trees?
4.
How many children in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. How many balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers. This is 4. 4. F-O U-R. 4. F-O U-R. 4. How many cups? 1, 2. 2 cups. And another 1, 2. 2 cups. Total 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 equal to 4 cups. How many cups? 4 cups. And another 1, 2, 3. 3 cups and 1. 1 cup. 3 cups and 1 cup equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cups. 3 plus 1 also equal to 4. And another 1, 2. 2 cups and 1 cup and 1 cup. And total 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 4. Okay. How to write? Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. How to write 4? 4. See carefully. 4. Okay? F-O U-R. 4. F-O U-R. 4. Okay. F-O U-R. 4. F-O U-R. 4.